Let's escape now.
No budge.
Ito ba na ba?
Here's what we're gonna do. You're just gonna hurl me up through that hole in the roof.
Ah,
Okay. Cable here. There we go. Yeah. That should hold us. Get over.
get over
Fuck
there.
yeah.
Masugot ito primero. Hindi na.
Okay, let's go. Here I go.
Careful when you get up here. It's pretty windy.
Sure.
Over here.
Okay.
Storm's really picked up. How far are we from the lookout? Just past the next town. Following you.
Let's go. I'm gonna go porque este tipo también le está okay. She picked up the pace.
Hey, how far away are we? A few minutes out. Okay.
Ah, da ventisca está cabrona.
This is getting worse. We turn back. We won't make it. We're almost there. I know, girl. I know. Keep going. Dina, how much further?
Dina?
Dina?
Bueno, ahora hay bobo.
Dina! Dina, where are you?
Ito caballo, no, valentísimo. Es un gallop. Ah, there you
Oh,
are.
thank God. Come on. This way. Where are we going? Just trust me. Get inside.
I'll get the door. You been here? Rode by it. Never came inside. All right, let's make sure it's clear. Shit. What's going on here? All this electronic stuff? This has to be Eugene's. Are you sure? Yeah, nobody else would tinker with this shit. But why would he hide it from me? Huh.
Eugene Linden.
Definitely Eugene's place. He was a firefly? He served with Tommy. I had no idea. Yeah. I got into some real dark shit. Like what? He said he blew up a checkpoint at Denver QZ, killed 3 soldiers and 2 civilians.
Jesus.
He also told me that he and Tommy slow tortured some big Fedra general. I don't know. I don't buy Tommy doing that, though.
He could do worse.
What do you mean?
He and Joel did a lot to survive after the outbreak.
May I ask if we're gonna do the dance? She touched my arm. I'm so delusional. Don't be an idiot. She's like that with everybody. Don't fuck up your friendship. Don't fuck up your friendship. Don't fuck up your friendship. Tonight was crazy. I feel scared, elated, anxious, and I'm just gonna slip it off. Was you in touch with other fight to hear about me and Joe? No, he would have said something. There's a journal thing in this game que no estaba en el juego anterior. Sure. Tenía su PlayStationcito con Uncharted 2.
Oh my god. It's Tommy and Eugene. They look like babies here.
Wow.
Lights, heaters. There's gotta be a generator around here somewhere.
Eugene, I'm begging you, come home. The Fireflies want to save the world. I say let them. Let them go after the military, the politicians, let them develop a vaccine. Maybe one day we'll live to see the fruits of their fantasies. Until then, we have to put our daughter first. The Fireflies will be fine without you. Your daughter won't. She keeps asking me when you're coming home. I can't lie to her anymore. I miss you, and I don't know how much more of this I can take. Come home, please. We love you. Claire. Damn. I'm guessing they died.
Hey, found the generator. Oh, that's better.
Oh, wow. Impressive workbench, Eugene.
First
I bet you could
workbench.
mod your gun with this gear.
Let's see, a ver si se encuentra, ¿verdad? Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, this'll work.
Good job with that.
Bueno, lo que hay.
Oh, hello.
It's a water heater. Yeah, I mean, a heater.
Ellie,
No?
look at the floor. There's more stuff down there.
You see a way down?
Not here.
Come on.
Ayúdame ahí.
What's he got down here?
Well, it's obviously a sex den. That's why he didn't tell you about it.
I hope it's a sex den. For his sake. This is so lonely, man.
Okay. So it wasn't a sex then.
Oh my god.
It was like a weed garden.
This explains a lot.
What does this explain?
Hey, he's got that videotape thing.
Huh. Dawn of the Wolf. Smash Brandy's cooch.
Are these?
Oh.
It's porn.
Interesting taste, Eugene.
Oh my god. El porno de vieja.
Maria would lose her shit if she saw this place.
How'd he get this together?
Must have taken him forever.
I wish he'd told me about this. Could have helped him out.
Oh my god, gas mask bong.
Dina, it's a gas mask bong.
God, he was so smart. Oh, there we go.
You think it's still good?
Does weed go bad?
Let's find out.
You having a hard time?
No, I got it. Fuck.
Give me that.
Oh, yeah, like you're gonna get it.
Okay. It's...
Yeah.
Oh, fuck it.
El diablo, ok, está bien, gracias.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I got it open, didn't I?
Ok. Gracias, maldita loca.
Smells good.
I mean... Gonna be stuck here a while, right?
Totally trapped.
Smoking weed post-apocalypse. This just sounds like a bad idea.
I don't know, can you?
Scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, like, absolute trash. And 10 being life-altering. How would you rate our kiss from last night?
Pip. Dina está hablándole
Why are we still talking
cosa
about
picante
this?
aquí.
You said it was a mistake.
Did I say that?
What are you doing?
I asked you to rate our kiss.
Responder a la mujer, Eli.
I give it a 6.
A 6? Wow.
Like a solid 6.
Okay.
There are a lot of people around.
Yeah, but 6.
Oh, what? I mean, now I really want to know how you'd rate it.
I don't think you do.
Ah, Eli, están sonriendo mucho ustedes.
You're infuriating.
Have you met you?
You make me want to go back outside into that blizzard.
Ay, mi madre.
I want to stop right now.
Ay, Dios mío.
This better be better than a 6.
El bife tirando la hierba. El diablo, el bife, sí, esto es mejor que un 6, sí. Eli nunca respondió a la pregunta, por cierto. Yep, ahí quedamos.